Hey, welcome back. I assume the onboarding team has upgraded you to the one website package. If you're still seeing the onboarding package like here on your member dashboard, you'll need to refresh your browser. So it's a little bit off screen here, but it's the little round arrow next to so I'm just refreshing it here, and then we're seeing the Panda Search 1 package. So if you have any issues with that, just please get in contact with us. So now you're on the one website package, you can click your Manage Websites tab, and this is where all the lists of the Panda Search websites are displayed. So on this package, you can choose any one website for all your content to be cloned over. You should have received a marketing profile from our team. If not, please request one. So I'm just going to choose the top one here, Real Estate Agent Supplies. Save it and watch what happens. I'm going to watch what happens here in real time. It does take this amount of time because it's going through the cloud and the two websites are talking to each other. So please be patient and wait for this to happen. That's how long it took. And now all of a sudden, this website shows up on your website account dashboard. So we can quickly visit the member page. Here it is. It's all been copied over, Real Estate Agent Supplies. The other way you can tell that it's one of the what we call slave websites and not your master, that it's all in white background. So that's the easy way for you to tell which one's the master, which is the Panda Search advertising website, which is here, and which is the slave website, which is really cool. Look, it's all copied across so quickly. How cool is that? Now, I've just gone back to the black, black background, Panda Search advertising. Let's log in now. So we are now in your slave website dashboard. Every time you copy over to a slave, there's a very important thing you need to do, and that's to select your top category and your subcategories. Again, we would have suggested these in your marketing profile to save you lots of time. So let's do that. Obviously cleaning, need to scroll down to the bottom and save. This is all happening in real time. Go to the listing details tab and click the subcategories. So cleaning services, this company also does cleaning supplies and carpentry and furniture cleaning. Again, save and continue. The reason why that's important is Spruced Up Cleaning will not show up in any searches on the Real Estate Agent Supplies website unless they have selected these categories. It's very important. And if you have the service areas tab, you can also add some other service locations. Remember, this member is based in Melbourne, but they also want to service the rest of Victoria. So let's just go to the service areas tab, into Victoria. Let's see how this works. Victoria. You need to click add, otherwise it doesn't show up down the bottom. There it is. So there it is. So now Spruced Up Cleaning will display in searches across Victoria for the cleaning main category and the subcategories so chosen. So now you can see how fast it is to set up all this fantastic content on the slave websites. And again, just using the tabs up the top, let's refresh the browser, and then the cleaning category is shown up. How good is that? But let's say you want to list in more than one website. So that means upgrading. So let's just have a look. You have to change your membership plan. And let's see, we want to upgrade to the 5 package. So I'm just going to do that now and enter my credit card details. I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so I've now upgraded on the 5 package. So that means I can choose another 4 websites to clone across to. So let's just choose these ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knock at the door. Save websites. Once again, I'm going to do this in real time. So you see that you will need to be patient while these websites talk to each other and copy all that information over. I'm just letting this go. And let's see the magic. There it is, and the magic happens. So let's say log into the beauty salon suppliers. And here is the slave website all ready to go. Isn't that beautiful? Let's tab across and look at the mechanic suppliers, and you can keep all these tabs open. So now we can just go to cleaning, it's for property, and in mechanics it's not cleaning the car. Save. Remember, for each of the slave websites you need to choose the main category and a subcategory. It's very fast. So these are the only subcategories available in the mechanics category. Remember, all the categories are not the same for each market. The categories are tailored to each market, and then if they wanted to change the service areas and do the same thing for this one here, we haven't done the theatre supplies yet, log in that, and you just do it like this, and then you can click between tabs. How fantastic. So the only thing I haven't shown you yet is the incredible power of these are called posts, and that's another video that I really encourage you to watch. That's all for this one, and have fun using the cloning software.